Good morning again. It's Mama Shag in the most our, to our favorite place to walk with my two friends. Hey, this is this. No, Cha, you be nice. Hey, don't be silly. Hey, but why are you doing that, Cha? Eh? No barking, I said. Do you want to be on your leash? Okay, Cha. Listen, no barking. Okay, let's go. And you, Tiggy, listen to me, no barking. Don't tremble. Okay, let's go. They're so funny, these two. They think, the thing is, they mostly bark at big dogs. And then they really are friendly too, of course, to their fellow small dogs. Yeah, that's a dog life. Anyway, so today, this is the month, I think, the first week of May. And it has been a long time. I haven't shared you a day of our lives, of my lives with these two in Hyde Park. Here in Hyde Park, I'm gonna show you what changes, what changed. Look at these trees. They're all so green and happy, and everyone is. The only thing we need is a bit of sunshine and some more warmth. Yes, it's wonderful. It's a nice day. How are you guys? I hope you're okay. I hope everyone is okay. I just want to say thank you for those who are always there and supporting us in our YouTube. I am so happy that we have so many supporters. And okay, stay first, Cha. Stay. All right, no crossing yet. Good. Well done. Okay, we can go now. Come on. So those two are really they listen to me, of course. But in barking, you cannot expect dogs to really stop barking. That's their life. That's how they, Look how they. I thought they're gonna go have a go with that bird. There's a lady feeding the pigeons. I don't know what do they want in here. Okay, you two, come this way. Follow me. Good. Yes, it is wonderful to see. There's the life sprung up in these trees. They've been sleeping for 6 months. Yeah, and it's such a wonderful to see them. So green. Ha ha ha. Okay, be nice. Good. Okay, this way, please. Cha and Siggy. Thank you. Cha. Good boy. Come on, run. You wanna go? And I have to bring them back in a minute. Not so. So I'm gonna feed them. What's this Cha found? This is just me sharing my one of my days. Well, I got nothing to say, but thank you to all those who've been supporting us in our journey to. Hey! No! Gosh, he's trying to rub himself with a fox poo. Gosh, the stupid dog sometimes. Have you? I don't know anybody. I don't know any dog who would like to smell a fox poo or like smear themselves with fox poo. So I have been showing you that side is towards the Prince Albert. That will be the Serpentine, and this side was if you go further to the hilly bit, that's where the man-made lake where the birds are. But we're not gonna go there this day because we have so many things to do. These dogs hasn't eaten yet, so I'm gonna take them home in a minute or two, depending on how they behave with other dogs, if they see other dog. Oh, if you see those other dogs in there in the tree, they're trying to bark at the squirrels. I am sure it's squirrels that run up that dead tree. Anyway, nothing much to share you in our life that concerns, or everything is okay, I suppose. Everything is well, so shall it be well. Oh my gosh, where is the parakeet? Okay, can I... Oh look at all those parakeet. This lady are feeding the birds. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is a part of it. When you pass by, oh look at that. Pass by here, and we saw pass by this lady feeding the birds. So as the parakeets and her beautiful dog. Oh look at that, they're following. It's so sweet. Anyway, so people does really have a thing with animals. Like at this lady, he actually feeds them with their mouths. So sweet. Oh look, they're really following them. But the small birds that I see in this tree, there's no way they can go near because of the parakeets and the pigeons. The pigeons does hurt them, that's why. Especially the parakeets, they're quite horrible. Anyway, I'm going to say bye, and I will see you again. And please don't get ano ba itong English. Nadudugo na rin ang ilong ko. Huwag sana kayong magsawa na panuorin ang aming walang kabuluhan na mga videos. So I will see you again. So you guys take care and be happy. Life is too short. Bye. Ciao, ciao.